I left these outdoors. They're garlic, but they will survive. But anyway, yeah. So it is much warmer in. Would you believe? I know it feels cold on the skin being in the greenhouse. It's probably about 1 degree or less. Actually, probably -1, something like that. But outside it's much colder. There's a bit of snow a minute ago, and the ground is frozen solid. But in the greenhouses, it is nice and fluffy. The soil, you can put your hand in. You can only put hardy plants in, so we're going to put. Charles Dowding does some of his garlics indoors, and he gets a good result. Everybody likes Charles Dowding, so that's what I'm going to. You can trust what he has to say. So I'm going to try it for the first time myself. So let's get them, instead of them being outside in a box icing up. Let's get them in probably the polytunnel, I should think. It's just frozen on the top. It hasn't gone right down into the. So I'm going to keep a fair distance between the. Got these peas along here. I don't know whether you can see them. So I'm going to go 6 inches apart, and then 12 inches between the rows. Oh, they smell lovely. 12 inches, but that. Yeah, it's not frozen at all. I mean, it's not as warm as you'd like, but much warmer than outside. As you can see, I've pre-chitted these about a month. I think I put them into a flat. When you get your hands frosty, you need something to warm yourself up with. So yeah, so that's a few garlic in there. There's something to do, isn't it? And they'll be perfectly fine. Well, they'll be fine even outside. They're one of the most hardiest vegetables of all. We started off at home in a flat in the greenhouse, and brought on for about a month and a half, something like that, and got some roots on them, and they've got a bit of tops. And Charles Dowding, I probably won't want those in the spring here, but it's something to do in the middle of winter, well, the beginning of winter really. So anyway, yeah. These right next to the garlic are meatier peas. They're hardy. They're a small yielder. They're short, and again, it's something to grow during the winter. Once winter starts to warm up in March, these will shoot off, and they'll be, I'll get a harvest a month before any other pea. So yeah, again, something to do. just above freezing. Yeah, 1 degree. Anyway, I'll leave it now and go home. It's one of my more madder videos, gardening in the middle of the night. Yeah, trying to eke out the last of the holiday season. So I shall wish you all the best and see you on the next one. Ta-ra for now.